How to make Revolution Slider mobile friendly.
If you want your website to look amazing on mobile devices,
Then making your Revolution Slider mobile friendly is absolutely essential. In this tutorial, we'll go step by step on how to ensure your slider looks perfect across all screen sizes. First, start by opening your slider in the Revolution Slider Editor. On the top panel, you'll notice different device views: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click on the mobile view to begin editing for smaller screens. Once inside the mobile view, you'll want to manually adjust the position of your text, images, and buttons. Often, layers that look great on desktop will overlap or become too small on mobile. So adjusting the size and position ensures better readability. Next, check the font sizes. What might be legible on a large screen may appear too tiny on a mobile device. You can set specific font sizes for each view to make sure everything is readable without zooming in. Also, keep an eye on padding and margins. Sometimes extra space can push elements off screen or make your layout feel crowded. Another tip is to use the Hide on Mobile feature. Some elements are just too complex or unnecessary on mobile. Hiding them can simplify the user experience. You'll find this option under the Visibility tab for each layer. Lastly, always preview your slider on an actual mobile device before publishing. The editor does a good job simulating mobile screens, but testing on real hardware is the best way to confirm everything looks right. If you're using templates, be sure they are responsive out of the box. But even then, it's worth double checking. And if you want more mobile optimized slider templates and features, check the link mentioned in the description.